Stress and anxiety are the two biggest reasons why people don't sleep very well. And it doesn't matter what the cause of the stress is, because the body's physiological response is exactly the same. You see, as humans, we think we have evolved over time to deal with stress. It's just that many people have a lot more stress in their lives today when compared to times gone by. But our body's response is still exactly the same as it was thousands of years ago. And that exact response is this. During periods of high stress and anxiety, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is a natural hormone produced by the adrenal gland, but too much of it does two primary things to prevent you from going to sleep. The first response is that cortisol elevates your blood sugar levels. Cortisol is a class of hormone known as a glucocorticoid. The gluco part of the name is from glucose. You see, when you are stressed, your body thinks you've got to run from that tiger or that threat from generations ago. It's the exact same response any other animal has when under threat. You might have heard of it. It's called fight or flight. You either stay to fight or you run away. When stress is really, really bad and constant, you freeze and you stay put, kind of like a deer in headlights. So your body increases available energy. If you want to sleep well, you most definitely do not want high blood sugar levels. It's kind of the same as eating right before bed. The second response is that cortisol has an inverse effect on melatonin. You need melatonin to rise to be able to sleep. You need cortisol to rise in the morning to wake up. This is one of the major reasons we have issues when we fly across time zones, creating a phenomenon, and you might have heard of it, called jet lag. Cortisol naturally rises first thing in the morning, but it needs to reduce at night for sleep to occur. Ask anyone who's on a corticosteroid medication. There's a very good reason why your doctor tells you to take this sort of thing first thing in the morning. So other than stress, what else increases cortisol? Chronic pain, inflammation, medication like steroids, Ritalin, and some antidepressants, a diet high in sugar, caffeine, alcohol, blue light at night, and strangely enough, exercise. Cortisol helps break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, but it's indiscriminate. It actually also breaks down connective tissue and the gut lining so that you can develop what's called a leaky gut, to which your immune system mounts an immune response to. Don't get me wrong, we actually need cortisol. If we don't have it, we may obtain a diagnosis of adrenal insufficiency or Addison's disease. Too much cortisol tips our body the other way into what's known as Cushing's syndrome. So how do you reduce cortisol? Stress is reduced in only a handful of ways. Changing your internal dialogue with mindfulness and meditation and perhaps therapy like CBTI. Changing dietary factors that are increasing cortisol. Improving magnesium. Changing your exercise. Changing and improving your mattress and environment. Hopefully, this short video has given you a brief insight as to how you can move towards improving your sleep if it's been affected by stress and anxiety.